I love a good shortcut. Hi, I'm Coach Maggie with another 5 Minute Monday Mindset. Shortcuts can save us time, they can save us money, but sometimes shortcuts can get us into some trouble. Just yesterday, we met our son and picked up our grandkids, and we noticed a lot of traffic going the other direction that eventually we would be in later on once we had gotten our kids. And so we said, you know what? Let's find a different path home. We went away we'd not ever been before. And the next thing we knew, we were off getting into a state that we normally don't go through. But we just kept going, thinking, surely this is a shortcut. Well, thankfully, we have GPSs on our phones today. And so my husband was navigating, I was driving. We went through some rainstorms. At times, it was taking us down paths we thought, wait a minute, this can't be right. But thankfully, those satellites up in the air that we can't even see were able to lead us back to the highway a different way. But eventually, we got home last night. The thing is, our shortcut took us way longer and it took us into areas that we weren't really sure about. We end up stopping at a place we wish we had never stopped to eat versus enduring the slow traffic and going the path that we knew. And you know what? We do that in life. We're always looking for that shortcut. We look for shortcuts to better health. We read and we see some blog post or some influencer saying, I just took this pill, I just drank this shake every day for a month, and look, and they show the before and they show after. We see people making these strange investments to financial wealth instead of just plowing through saving 1 week at a time. We think if I just buy this contraption, it's going to save me all kinds of time. And my house is going to be organized. My life is going to be organized. But do you know what? It just takes work. It takes effort. It takes planning. But there aren't shortcuts to that success that we're looking for, whether it's our health, whether it's organizing our home, whether it's our finances, whether it's maybe getting that promotion, getting that new job, starting that book, writing, whatever it is. It takes work. It takes us putting that effort in. And so often, especially today, we're trying to do it fast. We just think if I just do this one little thing, then I don't have to do all these other things. But yes, we do. It takes the work. And so often when we see someone that it looks like, wow, they're an overnight success. Well, first of all, it wasn't overnight. We didn't see the backstory. We didn't see when they were at the gym working out. We didn't see when they were taking time to write out the menu and plan. We didn't see when they were saying no to buying, their favorite coffee every single morning or going out with friends, but instead they were saving that money and putting it away. We didn't see when they were doing the work, they were reading, they were studying so that they could take that test. They could apply for that next level at work. We didn't see the night classes that they were taking in order to get the promotion. So rather than think that it's going to be easy, let's look at what can we do. Are there people that we can come alongside to help us on those journeys? It's still not easy, but now we have people to work with us on those things. We start reading about how to get out of debt. We start reading and learning how to organize. We start following and watching how to get healthier, we can find out any information out there. Let's face it, the internet is loaded, but let's make sure we're following people that are taking us where we want to go. And also, most importantly, I mentioned the GPS. We find ourselves all over the place at times, but we have a GPS that is far greater than the ones on our phone. And we're inviting Jesus into our lives to help us maneuver those ups and downs, those changes, so that regardless of what the economy does, regardless of the price of this or that, what's happening at work, who's in the White House, we have someone that is leading, guiding, and directing us on the path to where we need to go. So, are you forsaking really trying to get away from those hard places? But if I could just do that, I'd get there faster. Faster isn't always better. We want lasting results. I don't want to lose 20 pounds only to regain 25 or 30. I don't want to get organized, in a weekend only to have a disaster behind those closed closet doors. I don't want to take these risks in all of these financial schemes only to lose everything. But again, we've got some guidance, and so often we don't tap into that. But Jesus is inviting us to say, let me lead you along this path. Is he going to do all the work for you? Absolutely not. But together, we can do it and we can be successful. And yes, it's going to take time. It's going to take us on some curves, but we'll be far better once we get there. Have an amazing week and take time as you go through your day today to be thinking, what are the things that I need to do? Are there people I need to partner with? Are there things where I need to maybe slow down and really tap into, all right, Lord, let's talk and show me what you want me to do. So go out, have an awesome, amazing day, and be a blessing to those around you. Take care, and as always, God bless.